adjust, this one becomes a little bit more complex. So let's see that. Okay, so I think it just gives more. This one is more complex than this one. So since I've already showed you this one, which is less complex, I'll skip and I'll go to this one. Okay, so let me go to maybe 5 and see what it's able to do. Okay, so let's import some quantitative data here, and we open this. So you'll notice that this graphing tool, so we're in the visualization section, and here we are basically visualizing data in particular ways. So now let us demonstrate something here. So let's see, we have I think X, let's put yay, and then the X-axis we put yay, the Y-axis we can put economic growth. Then we have that. So you see in real time it updates itself. Then the next thing that you can do is you can create a bar chart. There you are. So you see this is a nice bar chart, and you can export this bar chart and put it in your Microsoft Word Office. So, but this is for economic growth, by the way. Yeah, so that is for economic growth. Then of course, let's try to also maybe change, maybe scatter. We can make a scatter plot. We can create this area style. Okay, then we can also maybe produce that one. We can produce that. We can produce that. We can produce a box chart, though it's not being generated. We can also produce a density chart for GDP. Then let me see. So for this app, you can only generate for one variable at a time. So the other one, you'll notice that you can do more. So let me see, maybe you can also change the way the data is looking like. I mean the graph, the way it's looking like, the style you can change and all that. Okay, so let's go to the next tool, which is a little bit more advanced. Let me see. So that is the 6th generator. Okay. So we have the, oh no, I've just imported the qualitative data. So let me import the quantitative data. Okay. So there we are. Then we let's say a line chart, and then we have let's say year should be on the X-axis, and we have GDP there. And then the other thing is that we have really a lot of styles here. You can convert it to matrix version, to hacker version. It's up to you. Then academic. Okay, then we have a lot of different charts you can basically generate here. So we can generate the bubble. We can also let's do this line chart, bar chart, histogram. Okay, we can also select multiple variables for this one. Okay, you can select multiple variables, unlike the previous one where it only allows you to generate for one variable. So yeah, Then you can change this to scatter. You can change it to pie chart. You can change it to double barbed. Let's see. So there we are. And you can also change it to I don't want a density, but maybe this. So a Pareto chart, you can clearly see this. And when you save this, you can open it in your Microsoft Word. So let's say we bring it in. Okay, so there we are. So yeah, you can bring it in there. You can modify it in the same program. For example, just to make things look better here, we can modify it. Okay, so I won't waste much time on it. Okay, so a lot can be done, right? So this one is a graphing tool. Basically, you can also change things to 3D if you like. So you can change things to 3D, visualize them in 3D form. That's up to you. You can also do that for many variables if you like. You perform some visualization for many variables. Yeah, so now let us go to another one.